Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing for the Jesse James Beads and Soft Flex Pool Party Kits. I know I'm a little late. I was out of town all week, and they came in, well, this came in a while ago, but I was waiting for the Jesse James Beads kit to come in, and it came in the moment before I left to go to Cleveland. As you can tell, I have a little bit, it sounds like I have a cold, but I'm having a horrible allergic reaction. I it started in Cleveland, and that was part of the reason I moved to Arizona. But anyway, I wanted to show you these because they're so fun, and the pool party kits are still available on both sites. So it'll be a 2-day class event. You'll have 4 classes, and there's a kit from Jesse James Beads for the beads, and then there's a kit from Soft Flex for the wire and findings. So I'm going to go through both. I will leave links to both. To have both of these, you have to purchase both. And then there'll be a private beading event after the classes just for the people who bought the kits. There are going to be 4 classes, 2 on June 16th and 2 on June 17th, and I am teaching one of them on June 16th. So let's get started here. This is the pool party mix. This is really pretty. I will be, I think, using the flamingo mix. Let's take a look here. Ooh, isn't that a bag full of yummy? Look at this guy. Of course, that's the first thing that pops up. It looks like it's resin or glass, and it's beautiful. It's got like a watery wave in it. Oh my goodness, that's really pretty. I can't wait to see what we make with that. We've got some beautiful, these are nice, like purpley blue with a luster crystal oval. Those are really cool. We've got some large milky bicones. Some sea glass or faux sea glass, frosted glass beads. Those are yummy. I love that blue. We've got some pave rhinestone balls. Oh, some hot pink lava beads. This is a really yummy mix. We've got some yellow faceted glass. Some more bicones. Those are pretty. Oh, these are cool. These are some bead frames. This is a really big mix. Some potato chip spacers with a stardust finish on them. These are yummy. No pun intended. Some pink glass pearls. For some reason, I was not expecting this mix to be this big, and it's really fun. It's just such a fun color combo. These are some little like cushion shaped glass beads. Those are fun. We've got some cage beads, some rhinestone spacers. Look, these look like little raindrops, little water drops. So cute, so cute. Love them. Some crystal rondelles and a periwinkle. Love those. And then we've got some nice metal going on here. These are yummy. They're very hefty beads. They're very nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. A little trick. I can't wait to see I can't remember who's using this one, and I can't wait to see what they make because I don't know what they're making yet. We've got some bead caps, 2 different styles, some little clear AB rounds. And I think that's it. Oh, no. We've got some larger crystal rondelle spacers and some sheriff stars. That's what I call these spacers. This is a really good mix. Now I'm kind of sad that I didn't pick this one because it's so fun. These colors are so wonderful. All right, I'm going to put this back in the bag, and then we'll move on to the next one. Next, we have the Swimming with a Buddy bead strand. So this is a really beautiful dark blue like ocean waters strands. We've got 2 pretty like dark blue luster teardrops, some metal, some clay spacers, crystal rondelle, another large metal bead. This is a ceramic bead, a frosted glass bead. We've got a boho, a large crystal bead, and then the same goes down the other side. That's a really pretty strand. Such a great color. I don't think I have a lot of beads in that exact blue. We've got some chain, some crystal cup chain, and a pretty pink, and then we have some connectors That is so pretty. It's so funny. This reminds me of like my childhood. I think this cup chain was big when I was a kid. But I love it. I love it. And I haven't used it very much, so I can't wait to see what the instructor does with that. We've got some chain reaction. That's fun. I love using chain reaction in its natural form or just using them as spacers or connectors by cutting it up. We have another bead strand. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And you know what? I can't remember the name of this bead strand. I can't remember the name of this bead strand, and it's not on here, but it's so pretty. Look at that. So we've got a mermaid glass here. We've got a crystal. We've got a glitter ball. We've got a glass faceted bead, some polymer clay here. Oh, another pave rhinestone ball. That one is very glittery. A rhinestone crystal spacer. We've got another faceted crystal, some more clay beads spacers, and then this one is a little bit different than this one, but it's still got rhinestones inset into it. And then we have the doubles going down the other side. This is really fun and blingy. I can't wait to see what the instructor makes with that. We've got some more chain. Those are yummy. And you can use this as chain, or you can use it as connectors or even bead frames. And then you've got some, if you don't use it as a connector, you have, or I'm sorry, if you don't use it as chain, you have some extra jump rings in the middle. Those are wonderful. Then we've got some very Perry chain. Beautiful. Love, love, love that. I love these little enamel drops. They make me so happy. And then we have my mix that I'm going to be using in my class. And as of this exact moment, I don't know exactly what I'll be making. So let's see what's in the mix. So first thing that pops out are these beautiful little teardrops, and they've got monsteras on them and ferns and different tropical leaves. They're so fun. I love them, and I don't know if they're showing up as brightly as they really are in real life. But they're gorgeous. Oh, and they're double-sided. That's always wonderful. That is fantastic. Okay, and then we have some frosted glass beads. Some more frosted glass, but they've like got an etched little pattern on them. These are cool. I feel like these are acrylic, but they're a really cool shape and color. They could be glass though. They could be coated. We've got some crackle glass, pink, some little glass rondelle spacers, some bead caps, little filigree bead caps. We've got some larger crystal rondelle spacers. I love those. We've got, oh my gosh, my favorite thing on earth, pineapples. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I chose this mix because I love, love, love pineapples. Some square, that's a really fun color. It's like dark blue, but it's got grays throughout it. Some little rectangle glass beads. They've got a little bit of a luster on one side. Some pearl drops. And some little squares, some little cubes. Beautiful color. These actually match some of the beads that are in the pink strand, so hopefully we'll be able to interchange or like wear whatever I make from my class together with whatever this designer, I think it might be Deb, makes with their class. And then we've got two little fringy tassels, loopy tassels. Oh, I love these little acrylic flowers. They're so fun. And then 2 cage beads. That's a great mix. I'm super excited to use it. And then we'll move on to the Softflex kit that you would buy at the Softflex site. Again, I'll include links to both kits. And then, let's see, isn't it cute? It came in this little watermelon paper. So fun. And you get 4 full spools of soft flex wire. So let's go through the colors. We've got a really pretty like periwinkle color. It doesn't show the color on the label for this one, but it's so pretty. It's almost exactly the same color as the Strand and as the Very Peri enamel chain. And then we've got another, I'll have to look at their website, and if they have the colors listed, I'll put them on the screen. But if they don't worry, you're still going to get the colors. This is a really pretty teal. I don't think I have either one of these colors, which is wonderful. And then they're all 10 feet long, okay, so we get three of the beading wires and then 1 wire. Okay, and then this one is pink tourmaline, again, 10 feet. Gorgeous color, perfect for flamingos and watermelons. Look at these 3 colors together. Aren't those so yummy? Oh my goodness. That teal, I don't know, it's a toss-up between the teal and the periwinkle, which one I like the best. Those are gorgeous. And then you get a non-tarnished silver-plated 22 gauge wire. This stuff always comes in handy for me, especially 22 gauge. 20 and 22 gauge are my go-to gauges. And then we have some of their wonderful crimp tubes, and then a little findings package which also includes 2 little shell charms. Aren't those adorable? Then you get their nice ear wires, which are always easy to use, and some lobster clasps. So we're in for a fun time. I cannot wait. Let me know what you think. Again, I'll leave the links below. They are affiliate links. And then let me know what is your favorite from each kit, and if you've signed up, what you're looking forward to. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.
Hi. Why are you kicking your leg? You nervous? Why are you kicking that leg? You just wanted a tummy rub. You're so shaggy. You're so shaggy. Look at your hair. You need to be groomed. You're so cute. That's my baby. That's my baby Goldie. Hi, baby Goldie. Yeah, you're mommy's girl. You're mommy's baby girl.